this video, I'm going to show you how to color inside of the lines in Procreate. So if you want to be able to color in an object or shape without going over the lines, I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. Now, the first step is just to open up Procreate, and then we're going to click on the plus icon in the top right hand side, and then just go and open a new document. Now from here, select the brush tool in the top navigation, and we're going to start by drawing our shape. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to draw a circle, and then I'm going to hold down to create this circular shape. Now you need to come over to the color palette in the top right hand side and select a color to fill this shape. So I'm going to select red, and then we can simply drag this red color over into the shape. Now, in order to start coloring in this shape without going over the lines, what we need to do is first click on the layers in the top navigation, select add new layer, then click on this square box next to layer 2 and select clipping mask. Now what you can do is click back on your brush tool and select the type of brush that you want to use to color this in. We can also change the color by selecting the color palette, and then what you can start doing is coloring in this shape. Now, as you can see, no matter where my brush moves, it's not going to go over these lines. Now, the cool thing about using a clipping mask is if we come back over to layers and select layer 1, and if I now come and draw another shape, so let's say, for example, I draw a square over here, and then in this edit navigation, I'm just going to select square. Then we're going to use the fill tool, and I'm just going to fill this in with this blue color. Now what we can do is come back over to layers and select layer 2, select a color from the color palette, click on the brush tool and select a brush type. And now what we can start doing is brushing both of these shapes together, and you can see that neither of them go over the lines of the shape. So this is useful if you want to color in multiple shapes together without going over the lines. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.